Outdoor School is a hands-on, feet-in opportunity for both school children and college students to learn about the natural world and make connections with each other in a non-traditional setting, using the outdoors as a classroom. The 5th grade students who attend come from a couple of surrounding counties in central Pennsylvania, and then the staff of Outdoor School is mostly Penn State undergraduate students. So we recruit students to come and be cabin counselors. They live with the campers, they guide them through the activities, they get to eat with them, interact with them, play games with them.
I decided to sign up to be an outdoor school counselor because I thought it'd be really great to work with kids and just come out and explore nature a little bit more. And I don't really get the opportunity to do it as a business major, so I thought this would be a great way to do it.
For a lot of students, having the opportunity to lead and teach young people is not something they've done before, so there's that whole set of leadership skills that students learn.
Not everybody has the same opportunities that I had when I was a kid, so it has just been extremely humbling. And I'm glad I've been able to bring something that I love into their life, and hopefully they learn to love it too.
It's just a great experience. The kids look up to you. You want to be a positive role model for them.